Hi guys, so I don't like the way that our Google Class Meet today went because a lot of different things. I didn't like that the internet was laggy, which was frustrating. I didn't like that you weren't really focused and you were distracted, because I'm going to honestly tell you is I take that as a level of disrespect. If you are talking in the chat and you're off task, like, that's the same as you talking directly in front of me in my classroom. You would not do that. So, like, remember that even though we are online, you still have to, like, act like young scholars. And that is very important because I feel like most of you really missed what I was trying to get through to you today. And it is a massive, massive topic that does not disappear in ELA. And in ELA, it builds every single year. It's very similar to math. Is the skills that you learn in one year, you need in preparation to do harder and more difficult things. So I'm going over it again so I can sleep well tonight knowing that I did my very best. And my question to you is, did you? Did you? But anyway, so let me change my tone to not impact your mood, because your tone in that Google Classroom 100% impacted my mood. Now anyway, so mood and tone are important. Tone has to do with the author's attitude, and it's how it's expressed through the words that they use. Tone is created by the author, and if you can remember that by the T representing the author. I'm going to put the scissors down while I speak. Anyway, mood impacts the reader. It's what the feelings the reader gets. It's through the me. Okay, so this is what I was trying to do that technology would not let me. I want you to listen and watch the screen while I read this and ask yourself, how does the tone shift with each word change? I didn't say you stole my red hat. 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 So all of those words and the changes in my voice did change the tone. It did change who I was accusing, how I was accusing, and what I was accusing them of. That is how tone works. It's how you read a word, how you interact with a word. Mood really is how you feel when I read it. And that is subjective, meaning it's almost opinion based, but tone is not. Tone is directly supported by explicit pieces of text evidence. So there are different types of words used to describe tone, and as we go on, I will continually give you this list to choose from, but you figure out what tone is by looking at the different text features. If you were reading a book with pictures, you would look at the picture for the tone and the word choice. Last week when we talked about connotation and denotation, connotation was how a word makes you feel. It's positive, negative, or neutral. A lot of times that's up to you, or it's the context. If I were to say I have two dogs, they are both mutts, or I have two dogs and they are both mixed breeds. Mixed breeds has a higher, stronger, better connotation. All of that still has to do with tone. So remember, the point of this video is to really try and get through your head what I was trying to communicate through you in that Google Meet, but technology and you yourselves prevented me from doing that. So when I see you on Thursday, it's got to be a total change, because I don't have bad classes and I don't have children who don't do what they're supposed to do, because that's just weird and nobody wants a weird interaction. But anyway, I hope maybe this helps. If you were well behaved and wonderful, then I'm not talking to you. But if you feel a little bit guilty right now, then you know I'm talking to you. And have a wonderful day. And I hope people treat you with kindness.